So, Twitch just made some interesting changes on how your viewers or potential viewers subscribe to your channel. Twitch now allows local subscriptions, which are prices that are adjusted to better reflect the cost of living where a subscriber lives. And this sounds great and all, however, it's going to have an effect on your revenue and payout. And when you look at everything Twitch throws at you, it's a little hard to understand, and to be honest, I'm a little confused too. So let me break it down for you and show you the key things that you need to know for the next 12 months, because trust me, it's going to be important for you if you plan on making money on Twitch's platform. Here we go. Before we begin, I got to talk to you about today's sponsor for this video, which is Fiverr, which is perhaps one of my favorite places to get custom emotes and badges made. If you plan on growing your channel and you think you're going to get more subscriptions, which is what this whole video is about, you need to make some awesome emotes, or perhaps even make more to fill in all those slots that you're going to unlock. And the best thing about Fiverr is, hey, I'm here to save you a little bit of extra money. You can use the link down below and coupon code to save yourself some extra cash and get yourself some awesome graphics. Now, to the video. The most important thing that you need to take away at this moment is subscription prices in vast majority of countries outside the US will be lowered. And that goes for tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 subs, community gifted subs, single gift subs, and multi-month subscriptions. Now, if you're wondering why Twitch is making these changes, it kind of came down to two valid reasons. Generally, outside the US, subscribing to your favorite content creator costs a lot more money, and Twitch wants to give a more affordable and easy way for people in other countries to help support their favorite content creator and communities. Reason number two is with the price reduction, you actually have a greater opportunity as a content creator in the long term to grab more supporters to your channel. Now that you have a better understanding, how is this incentive program and local pricing going to work? The very first thing we all need to look at as a Twitch streamer is Twitch is now going to create what is called a baseline. A baseline is how much revenue a creator has received from paid and prime subs in the last 3 months, as well as how many hours was live stream during that same period. This is going to calculate to make an average. Your Twitch creator baseline will be visible to you in your creative dashboard under your channelytics. Now, mine's not there yet, and I'm sure a lot of people's aren't, but I'm sure Twitch will roll it out, so make sure to check there to view it. All right, here's where things get a little wonky and kind of hard to follow, and I'm going to try my best to make it simple for everyone out there. When you have your baseline, let's just say for easy math, it's 100 USD. That number is affected by your revenue adjustment incentive duration, your initial eligibility, and your ongoing eligibility. Let's talk about eligibility first, because it's the most important, because all the rest doesn't matter if you can't even be eligible. When it comes to the initial eligibility, 20% of the baseline revenue has to come from countries that I'm going to display here on screen. There's a lot of them, so pause the video and take a look. For the ongoing eligibility, creators must stream 85% of their baseline hours to remain eligible. Look back at that 3-month average to see what that number is. You also have to stream a minimum of 5 hours per month, and if you're a full-time streamer, Twitch is actually asking you to stream no more than 200 hours per month. And by the way, all those hours have to be live hours. Reruns do not count. Once you've qualified or been eligible for the incentive duration, from the way that I read the articles and the charts, you will be paid whatever the difference is if you fall short of whatever your baseline number is. Like we said, our baseline number is 100 USD. So if I only get subscriptions that equal, which is primed and paid subscriptions, up to, let's just say, $90, Twitch is gonna pay me from month 1 to month 3, the 100% difference, which would be $10. For months 4 to 6, I'm only gonna get paid 75% on the difference, which would be $7.50. For months 7 through 9, 50%, which means I'm only gonna get $5. And for months 10 to 12, only 25%, which is $2.50. Key things that I want you to keep on your mind is, please remember, this is a cascading payout incentive program where it will decrease over time, every 3 months. So make sure you anticipate that for your revenue and payouts, so that way there's no shocks, no surprises. In addition to that, if you're a person that hasn't been streaming that much, or you're taking breaks or plan on taking a vacation, make sure you meet that ongoing eligibility, because that way it'll help cushion that transition period or that break or vacation time that you're doing. All right, I want to bring up something that hasn't been really clarified by Twitch, because I feel like this whole local subscription paying and pricing and all that will change in the future, because I'm going to bring up a conspiracy theory here. Hold on. Got to get the hat for it. What's stopping anybody in the United States from getting a VPN, registering an IP in a country where the US dollar is stronger, and I can buy subscriptions to my own channel or anyone I want to help support, where it's going to cost me way less money, but myself or the channel I'm help supporting is going to get the 50-50 split in their currency. So technically they're going to be making a lot more money. Something I'm sure is going to change, or is going to come out, to where you're going to make some type of money based upon their currency, and then it'll go through a currency exchange, and then you'll get a payout, or maybe I'm opening up the floodgates. I don't know. I'm really curious to see how this will go. Also, I really like my tin hat. Keeps the voices out of my head. Now, a cool thing about this Twitch local subscription pricing that not many people are going to talk about is the fact that it should really start to generate more subscriptions and subscribers in your channel. And if you're an affiliate or a partner, which obviously you have to be to get subscriptions, it's going to unlock more emote slots in your channel, which is why I really recommend getting custom emotes made, like we said at the beginning of the video. You can use the links down below to help you out, because it's going to get you awesome graphics at a better price, or better yet, take a look at a couple of the videos over to the side that's going to make your channel stand out to be even better. Wild for Games, wishing you the best. Take care, keep your conspiracy theories to yourself, and of course, peace!